everyone, Susie here. Thanks for tuning in today. Hope you're doing well out there. And in today's video, we're trying out a new product. So I was in Target over the weekend getting a few things for the house, and I needed to pick up a new brow powder because I'm almost out of my NYX Happy Hour eyeshadow that I've been using for a while now as my little eyebrow shade. Just a little hack, you know, if you ever run out of brow powder, you don't have any other brow product, you can use any brown eyeshadow that matches your eyebrow color. I've been using this one for a while and I probably will finish using it up, but I wanted to restock and just get a new one, you know, that I could have ready on hand to use when I need it. I picked this up to try out, and this is from Jason Wu. This is their Brows Before Boys eyebrow powder kit. So this features 3 different shades. They're like a matte, you know, you have a lighter shade, a medium shade, a darker shade. And you can also use this in your hairline. So if you, you know, want to blend in, if you're wearing like a wig, or you just want to blend in any area where maybe you have some thinning hair or something along the hairline, you can use this there. This is a vegan formula. It is a matte, lightweight eyebrow and hairline powder, and it's fully pigmented, and it claims that it's water resistant. This is in the shade 02. I only saw 2 different shades there. There was like an auburn kind of looking shade, I feel like, and then there was this shade. So I ended up going with this one. Was it auburn or was it blonde? I think it was more of like a blonde shade now that I'm thinking about it. There is the little eyebrow powder. No little brush or anything. It kind of would have been a nice touch if they did add some kind of little brush in here, just in case you're on the go, you forget your brushes or something. That would have been a nice little touch. So this retails for $14, well, $13.99 at Target, so you may as well say $14. I feel like for that kind of price tag, they could have put a brush in here. You know, like how much would it have cost to put a little tiny like eyebrow brush just in case you forgot one? You know what I mean? I feel like people would have found that helpful. But anywho, so here is the shades. And I think the one I'll probably end up using is the one in the middle. But you can always use all 3. You can use kind of the lighter shade, maybe more towards like the beginning part of your eyebrow. This is, you know, could be your all over shade. You could use this maybe to kind of do the end. You can use the colors however you see fit. For me personally, if I'm just going to work, I'm probably just going to use the one shade, and or maybe even these 2 shades, but I'm definitely not going to venture out and use all 3 shades just for any just plain old me going to work kind of day. But as far as the whole waterproof, I'm not sure. It's not supposed to rain today, and I'm not going to go dunking my face in water. So just saying, it may or may not be waterproof. But here it goes. So let's try it out. Got my little eyebrow brush, and I'm going to go ahead and do my brows using this little mirror. So I'm going to be using this shade. And then I'll use this one maybe towards the beginning of my brow. We'll just kind of see how it looks. So I'm gonna go in and get that, and then we'll start out about here. All right, so the shade looks really good. I like that. We'll start out by just kind of creating the top line of our eyebrow. Okay, pretty good. So this is a little bit on maybe the higher end of the drugstore price range. Target carries quite a lot of brands that are not exactly high end, but they're a little bit more expensive than maybe just like your drugstore prices. But then again, now with the prices of how much everything is in the drugstore, sometimes you're almost spending as much for the stuff at Target as you are as the stuff in the drugstore. So, okay, so that looks pretty good so far. Let's do the little tail of our brow. I think that actually looks really good, and I'm really happy with the shade. It actually looks very nice, and it does look very similar to my actual eyebrow shade that I have. So I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit, and we'll try out this other color on the inner part. I actually do kind of like that. I like kind of using the lighter shade towards the inner part just a little bit because it's not as harsh, you know what I mean? That looks really nice. All right, let's put this one on. So what do you guys think? I think it looks really good, actually. I'm very happy with the color, and I'm happy with the pigment, and I feel like it was really easy to work with. The color payoff is pretty good. You can see like here where I'm missing the most color from my eyebrow. If I want to, I can go in with a little bit of that middle shade instead of the lighter shade and just kind of go over that area a little more. There we go. And then now you can just barely tell that it's not filled in. And that looks really, really good. I'm actually very happy with that. So far, I am really liking this. I'm really liking it so far. So if you're looking for a good eyebrow powder, this might be the one for you. I got this in shade 02, and I'll try to leave a picture of the shades that are available so you guys can see. I didn't see that many shades in my local Target to choose from, but if you go online, or maybe your Target will have more to choose from. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna wear this throughout the day, and then I'll join you guys back after work later, and we'll see how it wears. So I'll see you all in just a bit. Hey everyone, so I'm home from work, and I just wanted to show you guys how my eyebrows held up, and they look really good. As you can see, all my other makeup has kind of started to fade, or you know, it's just kind of on its way out, but my eyebrows are still looking really good. Hasn't rubbed off or anything. They look really good, and I'm actually really happy with this product. I just think the pigment is very good. It looks good. It goes on really easily, and I just really like it. And I think it was just very easy to put on. So I'm very happy with it. I do think it is worth the price tag because you do get quite a lot of product in the little pans. So I feel like you get a pretty good amount. I mean, you get like a good size in there, you know, of 3 of them. So I think it's really good. I think you do definitely get your money's worth, and I'm very happy with it. So let me know what you guys think, but I think it looks really good, and I'm very happy with it. So if you're looking for a good eyebrow powder kit, check out this Jason Wu one at Target. Brows Before Boys. It's really good.